Great news! Here I have EVChargeking mobile charger for Tesla. It pulls 16 amps from 230 volts, one phase, and it also can charge without neutral phase. And of course Tesla UMC can't do that, and that was one reason why I also bought this. How much range you can get from the Tesla UMC? In 1 hour with 13 amps it's about 13 kilometers per hour, but with this, with 16 amps you can get 16 kilometers per hour, and in 15 hours charge that means about 45 kilometers more range. It gets delivered with CEE-plug, and CEE-plug is actually really good. I recommend getting a CEE wall outlet from EVChargeking. It's about 20 euros. If that's not possible, like I don't have a possibility for that, I have a charger with Super Schuko, so I changed the CEE plug into a Schuko-plug. From Super Schuko you can pull 16 amps constantly, and from normal Schuko you can't do that. What else? It has a Tesla button. You can open the charging port by pressing this button. That is really handy. I love that. Also, it comes with a rubber cap, and it has a screw hole behind the unit so you can mount it on the wall. I can't mount it on the wall because I have a hole, and in the top is the charging station, so I use a zip tie here and a hook. So whenever I start charging, I just hang this EVSC under the charging station, so there is no chance to damage this Schuko plug or the outlet. Okay, let's say you install the CEE wall outlet at your home and you use this CEE plug all the time as it comes from the EVChargeking, but you want to use this product at some other place. Let's say there's only Schuko available. Then you can buy this adapter. This adapter, it has the Schuko plug and female CEE. With this you can charge from Schuko also, but then I don't recommend pulling more than 8 or max 10 amps from basic Schuko, because this might get hot and that is never a good thing. So safety first, use only low amps on Schuko. In the unit we have 4 lights. There is power, connected, charging and fault. When you are charging, the charging LED light is blinking, and when the charging is complete, the light is constant. I've never had the fault light on. That's also a good thing. And these tapes here, well, I just added these to make sure the water doesn't get in. It has IP55 protection, and also this unit works in temperatures between -30 Celsius to +50 Celsius. I really like this product. I recommend it. It's really super good bang for the buck. It was 279 euros, and they also sell the same product without the Tesla button for 259 euros. So if you have some other EV, I recommend that one. That's all folks, thanks for watching the video. Remember to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you later, bye bye.